How to uninstall Avast Antivirus on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to uninstall the application on Android, simply launch the Play Store application on your device and search for Avast Antivirus. As you tap on it, you can just see the option of uninstall. As you search for the application, you can see the option of uninstall, so you can just uninstall like that, or if not, then you can just make a long press on the application and then tap on app info. This will lead you to a new page where you can see the option of uninstall at the bottom of the screen. So tap on uninstall and then it will give you a pop-up that if you uninstall the app, it will remove all the app data. So all you need to do is just tap on OK, and as you do that, it will uninstall itself. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.